This is a 2006 black Chevy Avalanche. On the inside, we have a cashmere interior. It's 86,795 miles with no check engine lights and in excellent running condition. Pedal adjustment. In the rear, we have bench style seat with a center armrest with cup holders, rear climate control and entertainment, as well as cup holders. These little side pockets are real nice. They actually do have drains in them too, so you can use them like a cooler. There's one on each side of the Avalanche as well as the Cadillac EXT. And here's your jack and tire iron stuff. There's also a cargo net in there. And here we have the rear tailgate area. Pretty spacious, and you have this 3-leaf tonneau system. That unfolds and unlocks. And they come out in 3 separate pieces. Get back. Alright. Let's take a closer look at these wheels. This also comes with a fixed step rail that is chrome. And these are the factory wheels that come on the Avalanche. They're aluminum wheels with new tires. Take a closer look at this one for you. With Goodyear Wrangler tires. And this concludes our video for the 2006 black Chevy Avalanche. For more videos, check us out at classicatlanta.com or give us a call at 770-394-9100. Thanks for watching and hope to see you soon.